So
Hey, this
hello
is
everyone, welcome back to my another video.
wow, nice.
Today I will say about bird nest,
Okay,
how to bird
come,
nest
come. Okay,
feed
come.
eating. So this bird has nest on the top
একদিনই
of
পাঠাতে
sugarcane plants in our field.
দেখি একটু খাওয়াই ওকে
While
দেখি দেখি
trying to sugarcane
হ্যাঁ
together, their nest was accidentally
খাওয়ার জন্য কত করে
destroyed.
দিছে
Then I brought
আমি
the
ওকে
two
এখন
kids
খাওয়াবো
home. Today
খাবারটা
is the first morning
আর
I am
বিছানাটা
going to
একটু
fail them.
চলে
But I noticed that in just
আচ্ছা
one
আচ্ছা
night the bird have
আচ্ছা
grown a bit. Now I will feed
থাক
them. Was how to feed them. So now was it
এই যে
how to bird nest eating feed. So let's get started. My hand I put broiler feed. So this feed is eating nice scenery. Wow.